Buongiorno! So ayan, quick recap po sa ating mga workplace, mga kasando.
Bola lang yan.
Quick review lang workplace review. So challenge yan. So sana ngayon may challenge din tayo ng workplace review. Labas na rin yung mga workplace nyo. Katuwa lang. So this is Italian flag cruise ship. No? We're doing a bar service. No? So at this time it's around like I think 7 p.m. It's the first sitting for the passengers, no. So ginagawa namin, maglilinis lang ng konti, replace, replenish, and refills. So ganoon lang ang daily life. So here is the tour and quick tour. So if we're here, we have friends Savio from India. What's up, bro? And at the back, I see you some of our friends. And from Natalia from Brazil, Corazon.
Oh my
Jefferson
God!
Diman in the house, yo. And Jerry Dacara, our barista. At the back are two barman heroes, Willie and our server. So ayan, tapos na ang ating quick tours. Just leave our comments and subscribe na rin if you like this film. Hope to see you again.